Being refused entry into a medical facility, into a hospital, and you're in critical condition, and then you watch your loved one die at the entrance. Well, that was the case at Northern Clinic. This is just outside Thilivhali in Limpopo. The patient dying at the entrance after the security guards refused the family entry. That's because we understand that the facility was experiencing power cuts. The Limpopo Health Department spokesperson, Thilivhali Muavha, making time for me this morning. Thilivhali, morning to you. And I mean, this is a devastating story. Just tell me what's your understanding. How did this actually happen? How did we get to a point where security guards are deciding whether someone gets medical care or not?
Well, good morning, Gareth, and good morning to all of your viewers. Well, I think quite a distressing story that we had to learn in the early hours of Saturday morning, where we have learned that one of the patients who came bleeding profusely through all his orifice. So he happened to be very unconscious at the moment, and the family members wanted him to be, accepted or either gain access into the facility. And actually what happened is that the security guards, as we got the report, told them that there's load shedding, they cannot be able to gain access. But to our dismay, Gareth, is that inside the clinic, there were nurses who were busy assisting and helping other patients at the moment. And of course, when the security guards denied them access, all they did, which I think to us it was a dismay, so to say, because they eventually gave them the contact numbers of the emergency medical services to call them. And yet the family members did that, calling the emergency medical services. And unfortunately, when the ambulance arrived, they found that the man has demised.